So one thing to consider when setting up your Google Classrooms are the topics that you use. So these, in a way, are your subjects or areas within a subject. So the way we do that, or the way we set up the topics, if we go into classwork and then click on create, then all we need to do is click on create a topic. Now this can look quite different in different situations. So if you're in a primary school, the topics could look like if you had all the subjects there, like Welsh, English, maths, history, so on. But if you were in secondary school, it might be that you're setting up a class for mathematics, and then you'd like to have different kind of areas. For example, you could have a topic for multiplication, a topic for calculus, so on. So for now, I'm going to take an option of a primary school scenario. So if I go into create a topic, I ask you then to, for the topic's title, Cymraeg, topic, English, yes. 3. And there we are. So once we create, if you create an assignment, if I click on assignment here now, and then ask you the title and then instructions, and then on the side here, it asks you for the topic. Now the topics have updated now. So once you've created the assignment, so if it's to do with English, you select the English, and then automatically what happens then, it will save into your English topic here. But what we could do as good practice is we could create another topic which is called this week's work. And then if you were to create the topic and then select it to go into this week's work, it would appear there. And then once that week's work's finished, what you can do is, if it's a maths-based question assignment that you've placed in this week's works topic, you can then click on it and drag it down to the maths. So once that week's work's finished, you can drag them down to wherever you want them to be. And then for the following week, you can do the same process again. So create the assignment again and drop it into this week's work. The beauty of doing this is that it keeps everything organized for you and for the students. So when the students go into their Google Classroom, all they need to look for is this week's works, rather than looking at all of through all the different topics. And that's it, really.